Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. Now I will show you how to announce your caller ID in Vivo Y16. To enable announcement, open your phone application, then click on the three dots button on the right top corner and click Settings. Scroll down and here you will see caller ID announcement. Click on it, click on this button, and here you will see three options. Never announce, only when using a headset, and always. So if you use only when using a headset, when you will be in headset and when someone will call to you, you will hear the caller ID. And that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.